Your tween kids mean everything to you. You want to give them the world, the opportunities, the connections, the fun. But when it comes to the digital world, it's easy to feel out of your depth. As much as you'd love to trust the internet to be safe, you know it's not always the case. How do you keep them safe when everything changes so fast? That's why this Tween program exists. We're here to help you navigate the digital world with confidence for yourself and your tween. Let's set the scene. Imagine your child standing at the gates of a bustling city. There are endless opportunities to learn, play, and explore, but also hidden risks around every corner. Would you let them wander in alone without guidance? Of course not. And just like you'd walk with them in that city, we're going to guide you through the online world so you can protect and empower your tween every step of the way. The possible impacts. What happens if you don't step in? Without your guidance, your tween could face risks that they're not prepared for. Emotional harm, from experiences like bullying or being exposed to harmful content. Privacy breaches, sharing too much online without realizing the consequences. Missed opportunities. They may not build the healthy digital habits they'll need for life. Here's the truth. The digital world isn't going anywhere, and the risks will only grow as your child gets older. But with the right tools and knowledge, you can guide them to enjoy the benefits while staying safe. You just need to start. Let's make this super simple. 1. This is not about overwhelm, this is about empowerment. We know how daunting cyber safety can feel, especially if you're not tech savvy. That's why we use super simple, non-techie language and break everything into bite-sized chunks that you can apply right away. 2. Tools for your life and your tween's future. This isn't just about fixing today's issues, it's about building knowledge for life. You'll gain tools to protect your tween now while also preparing them to make smart choices as they grow. 3. Where are your cyber bodyguards? Right here. Think of us as your personal guides. We're not just giving you tips, we're helping you become your family's first line of defense in the digital world. Every lesson builds on the last, growing alongside your tween as they navigate new challenges with age. Why this will make you and your family hard to hack. This isn't just about your kids, it's about you too. Your dedication and application will create a digital environment where your children feel safe, supported, and free to explore. And as you go through these lessons, you'll gain something else: confidence. Confidence that you know what to do, confidence that your kids trust you, and confidence that you're ready for whatever comes next. By following these lessons, you're not just reacting to risks, you're proactively creating a safer, smarter digital future for your child. Curious to learn more or need something clarified? Why not chat with our Cyber Awareness AI agent by following the link below this video? Instantly build your knowledge, gain actionable insights, and strengthen your defenses to make you and your family hard to hack.